Have the right approach and a positive mentality and enjoy the process. Worry less, learn more.
Thank you for your advices.
I don't compare myself with others, and I don't like to tell people I'm more intelligent than others because I don't think that's accurate. I think everyone has strengths and weaknesses. Maybe I'm good at something that you are bad at, and maybe you are good at something that I am bad at. We are just normal human beings. We
Yeah.
are imperfect. I'm sure there are many things you are good at that I'm extremely terrible at. Have the positive mentality and outlook and ask yourself, what do I have to offer to society? How can I benefit others? Ask yourself that question. But before you invest in others, you have to invest in yourself.